ANSI/EST S20.20 Electrostatic Discharge EST Control Program Standard, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Imagine investing thousands of dollars in manufacturing sophisticated electronic products, only to discover that individual electrostatic discharge has damaged critical components before they even reach your customer. Electrostatic discharge, commonly known as EST, is one of the most significant hidden threats in electronics manufacturing. Fortunately, this risk can be effectively managed through the implementation of an ANSI/EST S20.20 Electrostatic Discharge Control Program. In today's video, we will discuss what is electrostatic discharge, why EST control is essential, ANSI/EST S20.20 requirements, benefits of implementing an EST control program, industries requiring EST compliance, how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can support your organization. Let us begin. What is electrostatic discharge? Electrostatic discharge is the sudden flow of electricity between two electrically charged objects. It usually occurs when a person touches an electronic device. A component comes into contact with another charged object. Materials rub together, creating static electricity. Many EST events cannot even be felt by humans. However, even a discharge as low as 30 volts can permanently damage sensitive electronic devices. Humans normally feel static electricity only above approximately 3000 volts. This means thousands of electronic components may already be damaged before anyone notices an issue. Why is EST a major concern? Electrostatic discharge can cause immediate component failure, latent failures, reduced product reliability, customer complaints, warranty claims, production delays, increased manufacturing costs, loss of customer confidence. In industries like aerospace, automotive, electronics, medical devices, and telecommunications, EST failures can have serious operational and financial consequences. Now, understanding ANSI/EST S20.20. ANSI/EST S20.20 is an internationally recognized standard that provides requirements for developing, implementing, and maintaining an electrostatic discharge control program. Its objective is to protect electrical and electronics parts, assemblies, and equipment that are susceptible to electrostatic discharge. The standard establishes practical controls that reduce EST risks throughout manufacturing, storage, handling, packaging, testing, and transportation. Objectives of an EST control program. A successful EST control program aims to prevent damage to electronic components, maintain consistent product quality, reduce production losses, improve customer satisfaction, ensure regulatory compliance, increase operational reliability, support continuous improvement. Every organization handling electronic devices should have a documented EST control program. Now, key requirements of ANSI/EST S20.20. The standard includes several essential elements. Management commitment. Top management should provide resources and support. EST coordinator. Organizations should assign qualified personnel to manage the EST program. Documentation. Develop written procedures and control plans. Training. Employees must understand EST hazards and follow approved practices. Compliance verification. Regular inspections and testing ensure continued effectiveness. EST protected areas (EPA). One of the core concepts is the EST protected area. An EPA is a designated workspace where electrostatic risks are controlled. Typical controls include grounded workstations, grounded flooring, EST chairs, EST shelving, grounded equipment, humidity monitoring, ionizers, proper warning signs, access control. Now, personal grounding. People are one of the largest sources of static electricity. Personal grounding methods include wrist straps, heel grounders, EST footwear, conductive flooring, EST garments, grounding verification systems. Daily testing ensures these controls remain effective. Now, EST packaging and material handling. Proper packaging protects products during storage, transportation, shipping, manufacturing. Examples include static shielding bags, conductive containers, dissipative trays, EST safe boxes, moisture barrier packaging. Improper packaging can undo all the protection achieved during manufacturing. Now, compliance verification and audits. Regular verification is essential. Organizations should perform internal audits, equipment testing, ground resistance measurements, personal grounding tests, EPA inspections, process audits, supplier evaluations. Audit findings help drive continual improvement. Now, industries that need ANSI/EST S20.20. This standard is valuable for electronics manufacturing, PCB assembly, semiconductor manufacturing, automotive electronics, medical device manufacturing, telecommunications, consumer electronics, aerospace and defense, EMS providers, research laboratories, testing laboratories, calibration laboratories. Any organization handling EST sensitive devices can benefit from implementing this standard. How URGS International can support you? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides comprehensive support for ANSI/EST S20.20 implementation. Our services include EST gap assessment, EST risk assessment, documentation development, implementation support, EST protected area design, grounding verification, training programs, internal auditor training, supplier assessments, compliance audits, technical consultancy. Our experienced professionals work closely with organizations to develop practical, effective, and sustainable EST control programs tailored to their operations. At last, summary closing. Protecting electronic products from electrostatic discharge is not just about meeting a standard. It is about ensuring product reliability, customer satisfaction, and long-term business success. Whether you are establishing a new EST control program or enhancing your existing practices, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support your journey toward effective EST management and compliance. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more expert content on international standards, certification, inspection, quality management, compliance and industrial best practices. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your trusted partner for certification, inspection, auditing, training and technical consultancy.